Hey, adventurers! If you're planning your next hiking trip, stick around because I'm sharing 5 essential tips that will make your experience safer, smoother, and way more enjoyable. Trust me, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trailblazer, these tips can make all the difference. Let's jump right in. First up, plan your route and check the weather. This may seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people hit the trails without doing proper research. Know the difficulty level, trail length, and key landmarks. Look up recent trail reviews for updates about potential hazards like fallen trees or flooded areas. And don't forget to check the weather forecast. Clear skies can quickly turn into heavy rain in some locations, and being prepared can keep your trip safe and fun. Next, dress for the occasion. It's all about layering. Start with moisture-wicking clothes to keep sweat off your skin, then add insulating layers for warmth and a waterproof outer shell if rain's a possibility. Don't overlook your feet. Sturdy, well-fitting hiking shoes are a must. And socks? Go for synthetic or wool to avoid blisters. Oh, and don't forget sunscreen and a hat even if the sky is overcast. Sunburns can sneak up on you. Now, on to packing smart but light. You don't need to carry your entire closet on your back. Prioritize essentials. Plenty of water. Hydration is key. Snacks for energy. A compact first aid kit. And navigation tools like a physical map or GPS app. If you're hiking in a remote area, a portable phone charger can be a lifesaver, especially if you're using your phone for navigation or photos. The fourth tip, safety first. Know the trail rules and stay aware. Always stick to marked trails. They're there for your safety, and wandering off can damage fragile ecosystems. Wildlife encounters? Keep your distance and never feed animals, no matter how friendly they seem. And here's a pro tip. Let someone know where you're going and your expected return time. If anything goes wrong, that simple check-in can be a lifesaver. Finally, leave no trace. This goes beyond just picking up your trash. Be mindful not to disturb plants or wildlife. Pack out everything you bring in, including food scraps. Nature is beautiful because it's wild and pristine. Let's keep it that way for future hikers. And that's it. 5 essential tips for your next hiking trip. Remember, a little planning and mindfulness go a long way in creating a memorable and enjoyable adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more outdoor content and drop your favorite hiking tips in the comments. Until next time, happy hiking and stay safe out there.